This is Kathy with ucompose. So in today's video, we're going to continue on the song that we started in our last video, which was number 15. Now, if you haven't gone to video 14 and downloaded the Notion app, do it right now. You can even download it on your phone. This is on my iPad and I'm laying it sideways for purposes of taking this video. Otherwise it would be upright. I actually prefer to write better that way, but this is important to have it on its side. So we started this song and it's we're going to use a lot of the same pattern. And just a quick review, this was your 5-finger C scale. Notice I have the pin icon off, because otherwise I'm dangerous with the pin down here, or even your finger to the touch. It will put all kinds of notes up there, so you have to be real careful with it. So this is your low C here, C, and just stepping up this step. It moves by space, line notes, and there's your G. So C, D, E, F, G. We put in 2 G's, half notes get 2 beats, 4 beats to the measure. Now when we block C, E, G, this is called blocking on top of each other in third intervals like that. It's the one chord in C. In C, C would be the tonic, and 5 up, which is G, is called the dominant. And we're going to change up this chord just a little bit. In the key of C, G, B, and D is your 5 chord. That simply means that if you go up 5 from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're landing on the G, and if you build up on third intervals, it's not writing because again I don't have it highlighted, but I just pointed that out. That spells your 5 chord. So we're going to change that one up just a little bit in today's video. So let's put in the same tune, and then we will pretty much it'll be the same tune, same style. We're going to put some new words in, and I already did put that E in because my iPad and the Notion app were acting strange. It didn't want to respond to me, so I actually played it, hit this play button down here so that it played it and then landed there. So I think now I can get started on my video. So again, we're going to put the E there, and then we're going to put a G. Make sure it's a half note G. We're going to put the melody. Oh, I got to turn my pin on. Half note G. And then we're going to go ahead and put a D, 2 Ds. And then I think because it's more like time, we should ask a question maybe to get a response to. We'll change it up from 2 C's to 2 G's. We'll see how that goes. So let's put in some bass notes. We're going to do the same pattern. Let's move it to quarter notes now. In the bass, we need 4 beats of quarter notes. So here's our low C. And then the G will be a half note again, and then another G. Now I said I wanted to change it up here just a little bit, so we're going to go back. I'm going to make that into a chord. I could add the B in the bass, or actually I could add the D up here, but let's do the B in the bass, even though for fingering it would be a little bit awkward to do it this way, but we're not doing fingering right now. We're learning a chord. So there you have G, B, and there's the D on the top. Remember I said that spelled the 5 chord. So that will sound even more full, and you will get a little variation on your song. And then again, maybe we should do here something a little different. And since we started so high up, let's just put C, and yeah, let's make it, now let's separate these, and they're going to be quarter notes to make it just a change. Scoot this down just a little bit, sorry, low C, high C, and low C. So again, instead of putting C, E, G like we did the last time, we just did the C's. So it gives a variation. I'm not sure if I'll like that. I can always change it if I don't when I go back to listen to it. Let's put some words up there. I have some words in mind for that. And it's streaming. Get the lyrics there. Streaming. I didn't put in the dots because I thought it was clear enough. Streaming. And I believe I put streaming through. Whoa, it's going to be kind of tight, isn't it? Nope, I want you here. Don't want to erase it. Through the, and here we go with window. Again, you can add whatever song, but remember, now this one's going to be a little bit spread out. Whoops, we'll just see if we'll make that clear enough. And I think that'll work. Okay. All right, let's hear our song for today. A little variation there toward the end and see what we've got. All right, that's all we're going to do today. And you know, I think I probably will be changing this up. Not too crazy about that sound, but it's just a learning curve and we're all learning together. Thank you for joining me in today's video.